y'all? It's your girl Taylor Noelle, and I am back with another video for you. What's good? So this time, I will be doing a art one, fluid art. So that's basically just where the paint that you have that you're using to paint with, if you're not painting, but that you're using is basically like liquid. It just flows. You follow me? Okay. Anyways, all right. So let me show y'all what I got. So I got this one right here. This one right here. Then I got this one. Got the yellow and oh wait, that's not yellow. I got the blue and the purple. My bad, y'all. And then I got the middle. This one's gonna look kind of funny, but I got this one in the middle. This one's called Galaxy. This one's gonna be a little bit different. So also, I maintained that and achieved that by using pouring medium deco art, which is what makes all of the liquid. Okay, my bad, y'all. So this is what makes the paint basically makes it flow better. So we're gonna do that. So let me see how we do it. So this right here, it has the 2 stripes of tape to cut off sections. Section 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna get started. So let's get it. Let's go. We're gonna put this one in the middle. This one over here. Okay. So, y'all ready? Wait, let me take my glass off this. I can't see. Okay. Okay. All right. So basically, you just take it and put it in any kind of cup, whatever cup you have, styrofoam, plastic, or even measuring cups too. I don't know if you can see that, but measuring cup from anywhere, it doesn't even matter. Don't even have to be measuring. You just have to add the right amount of the pouring medium in with that paint to mix it, and it flows. It'll be good. So we're gonna start with the green and blue.
Hey boss.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Taylor Noelle, and I'm back with the finishing product for my said painting. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what y'all think. Comment, subscribe down below. You already know what's up. So so that this right here is done and dried. So go ahead and take a look at that. We got section 1, we got 2 right here, we got 31 in the middle. The one I call Galaxy, but as you can see, it kind of looks like a mesh of like the galaxy in the ocean? Question mark? But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I went ahead and used. So this right here, of course, what I said in the beginning of the video, deco art pouring medium, that is what actually gives this effect right here of it as it is like dripping and running, aside from it flowing, of course, because of gravity. But like, so the paint that I used was really super easy to get. Like, you can get it from your local Walmart and your also neighborhood Lowe's. So this one being the one that I call Galaxy, this is Black Opal. And it's not hard to find. These main 4 are ones that you just get from Walmart. And so also there's this one, and all these are Walmart. This one's just the regular purple. And then we have this one that is twilight blue. And then we have this, and this is just white. And the ones we have from your local Lowe's, this specific color is actually named Kilkenny.
Boy, if you don't get
it's spelled Kilkenny, Kilkenny, green. So that's also the other one that was used, and this second one here is actually called Purple Royalty, which I'm pretty sure that is the shade of royalty. If not, correct me, guys. And then we have the last shade of blue, and this one's called Deep Space. Hence the galaxy. Get it? Okay. So these three right here are just ones that you can go ahead and get from your local Lowe's. They're Valspar samples, which, I mean, every Lowe's has that. And also every one of these should have this as well. Every Walmart. I'm sorry, y'all. These are Walmart brand paints, and these are Lowe's paints. This paint is well, actually, it's not paint. Sorry. Rewind. But this actually right here is something that you can't currently get. This is actually something that you get from art store, from anywhere, from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, anything that's an art store basically, is where you get that from. But no one ever said you couldn't like add water to it or like improvise and just add a shit ton of paint to like the cup. You can do that. but actually, so the name that I started with was, I'm pretty sure it was Galaxy, for this because of the middle, but the more I look at it, the more it almost looks like water. And these two right here are actually, I don't know, I can't describe what they look like, but I want y'all to help me out. So I need y'all, all of y'all, to watch this, whoever's watching, whoever that may be. So I need y'all to comment down below, give me names, comments, what you think could possibly be the name, or a name that you really like for this. So yeah. Also, in order for it to dry, so as you can see, it kind of did the table, you know, a little bit of, you know. So I just took a cup and I just set it like on the back of this right here like that, and I just set it like that so it would dry. The cup is not touching the paint, it's not touching any of it as it drips. So if you want to let it just dry and just run down like that, as such, which is what I did, you can also do that. Cups can also be styrofoam, they can be of anything. And you also make sure you want to have a tarp or something underneath that so it doesn't stay in carpet, or so it doesn't, if you want, you can even do it outside, in your backyard, in your front yard, or whatever you want to do, as long as no one's mowing the lawn. Okay, so comment down below, let me know what you think on names, and we're gonna just see how this goes. Let me know what y'all think. We out. Peace.